In this problem, we are given a point on a unit circle that has the rectangular coordinates -12/13 and -5/13. We are asked to find the following. We will first represent our point on our unit circle, drawing in our xy axes, and then our unit circle with a radius of 1. We will recognize since both x and y have negative values, our angle t in radians must have a terminal side in quadrant 3, representing piece of t, which is -12/13, -5/13. We are now ready to figure out the remaining values. If we took our angle of t and we added pi more units to it, or rotated 180 degrees, we would end up with the quadrant 1 angle. In quadrant 1, both our x and y coordinate, or sine and cosine, are positive. Therefore, it would be represented by the point 12/13, 5/13. We would also recognize in our second pair, if we rotated it or subtracted off 180 degrees or pi radians, we would end up at that same quadrant 1 point. Therefore, the point t minus pi gives us the same ordered pair, 12/13 and 5/13. Finally, we are looking at taking our angle t and rotating it instead of the positive counterclockwise direction to look at negative t, which would rotate it in the negative direction starting at the positive x-axis. If we did that, we would rotate this angle t units, ending up in a quadrant 2. In quadrant 2, our x-coordinate is negative, and our y-coordinate is positive, giving us the following ordered pair. Finally, we are looking at taking our resulting angle of negative t that was rotated in the clockwise direction and rotating it clockwise for another 180 degrees, ending up as a quadrant 4. In quadrant 4, our x-coordinate is positive and our y-coordinate is negative, giving us the point 12/13, -5/13.